Duplicate the video in the upper tracks. Click the color icon, then color correction, then advance, go to white balance and make the above layer red. Now make the middle layer green. Then make the bottom layer blue. Change the blending mode of the upper video to soft light. Now change the blending mode of the middle video to screen. Now click the upper video and use the arrow key to move it to the left twice. Now click the middle video and use the arrow key to move it to the right twice. Now click the render icon. So that is how you create chromatic aberration effect. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe.
I've been from the top of the moon. I can see the whole world sitting in my hand, I'm as a room. We finna break the rules, then we gon' make them too. I can't promise if I gotta stand tall, that's what a leader do. Follow me, I'm leading you. Like we finna turn up, cranked up the heater, they finna burn up. Told her I'm coming, I'm there, tell them they time up. I said it once, I'ma say it again, this be my year. I ain't most on no film, I know that I'm built